Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Boomerang for Gmail then optimize LinkedIn follow-up timing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Boomerang for Gmail, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Now, navigate to the Add-ons tab at the top of the settings page. Look for Boomerang in the list of installed add-ons. Click on the three-dot menu next to Boomerang. Select Manage from the options provided. A new window will appear showing details about the Boomerang add-on. Click on the Remove button to uninstall Boomerang. Confirm the removal when prompted to complete the uninstall process. Next, let's optimize your LinkedIn follow-up timing. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your messages by clicking on the messaging icon at the top right. Review your recent conversations and identify the important ones for follow-up. Take note of the days and times these contacts are typically active. Use LinkedIn Insights to find the best days for engagement. Research shows that Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are optimal for outreach. Aim to send follow-up messages in the morning or just after lunch. Draft your follow-up message, ensuring it is concise and clear. Schedule your message to be sent at the identified optimal time. Monitor responses and adjust your timing strategy based on engagement patterns. By following these steps, you'll successfully uninstall Boomerang for Gmail and optimize your LinkedIn follow-up timing for better engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.